Also have some announcements, assignments that are due, and even some grades. And I just want to mention that that Moodle homepage is just an overview. It's a snapshot of all of your courses, but it is not comprehensive. So in order to see your full grade book, as well as all of your assignments due in each class, you do need to actually click on each course and take a look at that week's module. You'll see up top here all of the weeks, and in most classes it'll be set up so that only the open weeks are viewable up in that top area, and then you'll go to whatever week you're in or whatever module you're in. It may not be by weeks, and you'll click on that to see your assignments and activities due that week, as well as all of your other course content. And you'll go to your course dashboard, you'll see right here, and that will be where you can view your actual grades. So there will be several options when you click on that dashboard. You'll see here I might have more options than you do, but you'll choose the grade book choice. And when that loads, you'll see however your class's grade book is set up. This is how the biology grade books are set up. You'll be able to see each assignment category type. So in our class we have exams, quizzes, article evaluations, and then weekly assignments. And then you'll also be able to see a course total here at the bottom. And the settings that your instructor uses to display the grades will influence how the grades look, and the settings that you have in your preferences for how Moodle looks to you will also impact how the overall course and dashboard look. But for each course, the way your instructor grades will populate here so that you can see a running total of all of your current assignments that have been turned in. And then that way also you can see a current overall course score. So in my classes for biology and in probably most instructors' courses, any grades that have not yet passed, so the deadline is in the future, those will not show up in your grade book. That way empty grades are not counted against you and you're running average. So right now we're just looking at the way all of the assignments look once they're all in. You can see all of the exams, etc. But if I were to view it, so for example, just like a student views it, right now what you'll see, and this is just the very beginning of the class, we have not had any assignments yet. You'll just see the categories so that you know what the different types of activities are and how much they are worth typically. And so for the entire course we do have 1,000 points. That makes it really easy because 1,000 points equals 100%. The math is pretty simple to calculate, and you'll see all of these different columns as well, so that you know for each assignment what the range is, how much you can minimum and maximum scores, and then you'll be able to see your percentage, so whatever that score is worth, which allows you to kind of get a feel for the letter grade for each assignment as well as your overall course total at any given time. And if you do have any questions about this, please feel free to let me know. But again, the best practice is to click into the course and then into the dashboard to view the course grade book rather than relying on those snapshots on the Moodle home screen, which may be an incomplete picture of both upcoming due dates as well as course scores and averages. So just making sure that you come to this page instead so that you see the actual grade.